guys, so I'm taking everything to the body shop. That has to do with the Redeye. I got the door panels, the grills, upper and lower grill. These I'm not gonna take yet. Like I said in the last video, I might have some used ones that I could reuse, and that could save me at least $400. These things are really expensive. But everything else is gonna stay here. The cradle will get done when the car comes back, as well as the wheel and the inner tie rods. And that's really it. I got everything put in here. It's really, really cold. Woo. I couldn't get out the other side, so I have to put it from here. But let's take everything down to the body shop, and then after we leave there, we have to go pick up the seat from the upholstery shop. All right, guys, so I mean, if everything goes as planned, we should have the car back on Monday. Today's Saturday, so within the next 2 days, it should be done. Once he gets all this stuff back, he's gonna put it back together.
School zone in 800 feet.
And then we have to get it rewrapped, so we're gonna take it to KA, have the same theme redone. And I actually called him yesterday. I have to go drop off the fender so he can get the same exact vinyl. The satin black is kind of obvious, but that green that's on the fender, the stripes or whatever they are, it's like a different kind of green. So he's gonna kind of match it with whatever he got. We'll get the wrap ready, get the vinyl ready, and then we'll drop it off to get it rewrapped. So the doors are the same color, so those are gonna get wrapped. The fender's the same color, that has to get rewrapped. But the hood has some gouges in it. If you guys remember from the first couple of videos, I showed you where where the grill was, or not the grill, where the vent was on the left-hand side. There was a dent over there. The roof had to get repainted as well, and the right rear quarter. So basically, if you kind of think about it, the whole car has to get rewrapped. So I'm pretty sure they got to take off the old wrap, rewrap it with new wrap. Because I'm not sure how vinyl works. I don't know if it's gonna match because that vinyl has been on there for God knows how long. So I think the right way to do it is take all the old vinyl off and then rewrap it with new vinyl, satin black, and then put those green stripes going down the roof, the hood, and the front bumper. But that's really it. We're almost at the shop, get all the stuff unloaded, and then the upholstery shop is close to here. So I'll go pick up that seat. I'll take that seat back to the house, and then when we get the car back home, we'll install the seat, the carpet, all the trim pieces, and the interior. Get that wheel replaced. We have to do that left rear toe link arm to get that alignment straight. We have to get it realigned, do that front cradle. So not crazy amount of work left, but we still have some steps to go. But once it's out of the body shop, the rest of the stuff is really easy. Also, I bought 2 new Hellcats. Well, actually, one of them was a Redeye. The Hellcat came in yesterday. Once we're done with what we're doing today, I'm gonna go down there and show you guys that one. It was a theft and recovery. If you guys watched the video, I can't remember which one it was, probably 3 videos ago, and I showed you guys that black one that was stripped. I ended up buying it. I actually got it for a pretty good deal. It was a crazy story how it happened. I'll kind of explain the next video.
School zone in 800 feet.
That thing's annoying. And I got another Redeye coming in. I can't give you guys too much info on that because I'll know which one it is. But that one's not there yet. It should be here hoping the next week. But the black one's here. We're gonna get that one, put it back together, and I'll do a whole nother video on that one. My car? Oh, please tell me you didn't open that shade. Oh, good.
No, I didn't.
Cause that shade is stuck with the sunroof.
It's better to take it out. I checked it.
Looks good. Nice. I thought it was just dented right here.
You already mine.
Really? It was there too?
Yeah, ده كده بتبلش من الضربة وتروح لمحل بدنا نفخها.
Okay. But he's gonna have to take the rest of it off to paint it, right?
Yeah. I guess we could take it all off now.
So the quarter panel had a couple of dents in it too.
Yeah. The other quarter panel.
You talking about this wheel suspension?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. The toe link is back. This one's good too. Not bad, buddy. How about the hood? I thought it was just one right here.
One right here. One right here.
It was like scratch, but it was dent.
Dent.
Yeah.
Dent.
I don't know what went through it.
تشوفهم على النايلة بتشيل النايلة وتمرق ايدك هيك. You can tell.
He's painting it tonight or today?
Huh?
He's painting it today?
Ciao.
No, no, you have everything else now. You have the rocker.
I have the rocker, I have the 2 doors, I have the fender.
Okay. You still has paint inside, right?
Yeah, هلا برش لك اياها.
You want me to get you that that foam? Or you
لشو؟
you know the can you spray where the welds are and stuff? The patches.
Undercoat?
Is it undercoat?
The can?
Yeah.
عندي اياهم.
Okay.
عندي اياهم.
So just look around.
برش لك هيك شو برش لك اياهم تحت.
Okay. Looks good. Then you got the bumper.
I got the front bumper, I got the back bumper.
Looks nice. Thank God I took that carpet out. You would have destroyed it.
Huh?
I said, thank God I took the carpet out.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Does the trunk close good now?
شو وين؟
The trunk?
Yeah.
Can I close it?
No, أنا شغلتها jump.
Oh, you took the battery off?
No, I didn't. بس ما هي على long run يعني عارف كيف؟ The battery was dead.
You know what this is for?
I want to ask you, what's this for?
The lights and the
Okay,
headliner.
okay.
This is what gives it lights. All these
Oh, I got you.
are those, you know,
I got
little
you.
dots
Connected
things.
to
Yeah. I need a connector. This one ripped.
عندي وحدة.
Okay.
عندي إياها.
You got someone that can replace the control arm if I bring it to you? For the other side? Doesn't really matter. I could take it to the alignment shop, have them do it.
خليني أعملها الله يمنح.
See how bad it is? It's tilted.
Yeah.
This was worse. I changed already 3 arms on the side. But I got the new wheel at the house.
All right, yeah.
Damn, it's freezing. But that's it. We're about to finish it up. I think they're gonna paint it today, let it dry over the weekend, and then Monday we should be able to pick it up. All right, guys. So as you can see, it's looking really good. Once it gets painted, it's gonna look like brand new, really. Now we're gonna head down. This is like not even 2 blocks away. We're gonna go pick up that seat, take it back to the house. Then I gotta see if that wrap shop is open. I'm gonna take him to Old Fender. All right, there's a seat. It looks really good. He got it stitched back up, got the new airbag in there. We still got to replace this pre-tensioner, and the other side cover where it has like the controls and stuff for the power switch, it's broken, so I got to replace it. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. We're gonna take this one back to the house and then go see. All right, so we got the driver's seat back. This is the shield I'm talking about. It's broken, so I probably got to get one off a junkyard or something. I don't know how much it costs in the dealer, so I gotta call in. But we're really that's really it. I mean, once the car comes back, we're gonna put the seats in, put the carpet back in. That's the other seat over there, and get this thing back together. These are all the shields. This one's actually supposed to be with this. I put all the covers into one spot so I don't lose anything. And now we'll take the fender, which is this over here, and he's gonna try to match this green over there, whatever that is. Oh, we also need the badge off of this, so good thing I didn't throw it. But let's go ahead and take that down there. We'll drop it off, and that's gonna be it for today. Had you open that day off, boy? My bad. I think you can match it. It ain't that off of a green. See it?
Wow, you actually brought the whole ass fender.
Yeah, that's one that was it.
Congrats on the new truck, bro.
Oh, thanks, man. What do you think?
Oh yeah, definitely match that.
But see, like the whole pattern, like I'm not sure because everything's off now. You kind of have to look at pictures.
As long as I have the pictures,
Yeah.
there's a little bit of creativity. They'll definitely get
It goes down. See, this is where the headlight goes,
Yeah.
and then it goes under, like
under
to the bumper.
headlight to the bumper.
Yeah.
No, as long as there's some pictures, a little bit of creativity.
Yeah. Don't toss that though. I'll come back and grab it for that.
Oh no, no, no.
All right.
Like, I'm gonna keep it.
All right.
Souvenir.
All right, man. So that's everything that we had to do today. I got the seat picked up, got the parts dropped off that they're needing for the front bumper, and then the other stuff we're gonna take care of when the car comes back to the house. But other than that, I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's really cold outside. It's 17 degrees. I thought it's light, so I just put a little hoodie on. But that Flood Demon is going for sale on Tuesday. So let's see how much that one goes for. If it goes for cheap, we'll pick that one up. I think that'll be some crazy videos because it's flooded really bad. The water got all the way up to the headliner. So if I buy it, I gotta take it apart, strip the interior down, change the harness out, and it's gonna be really nice to bring that thing back up and to get it started again. So let me know what you guys think. Subscribe if you're new, hit that like button, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.